In this video, I will show you how to log out of all devices on Discord. To get started, open up Discord and log into your account. And once you've done that, what you need to do is come down and click onto the gear icon in the bottom left-hand corner, which is going to take you into your user settings. Now, once you're in your user settings, what you want to do is come over to the left-hand side, click onto account, and on the submenu that comes up, you want to click onto password and security. In the password and security section, you're going to find logged in devices. What you want to do is click onto the arrow next to this, and it's going to show all your current logged in devices. Now, if you come down to the bottom of here, you can see there is a button to log out of all known devices, which means all the devices showing up here where you're currently logged in, it's going to log you out from Discord. If you do see a device you don't recognize on here, what I would recommend doing after doing this is, of course, changing your passwords. And just a note as well, as you can see that some older devices may not be shown here as well. So maybe if you sold a phone or like an old laptop and you're still logged into Discord, it might not appear here, in which case I would recommend again changing your password, which will log out of that account. And of course, you're going to need to enter the new passwords to log back into Discord. So that is how to log out of all devices on Discord. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Discord and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.